Yo, what's up, Wiz? Low backtesting session weekend. Alright, let's start. Starting on NASDAQ like always. I got deja vu, do the same thing. Man, I wasn't changed. Step my loose change like a piggy bank. But my money Monday market open. Like it's lame. Got no fucking cake. Boom, right here on NASDAQ. That is not okay. Bottom level right here. Top level right here. This is pretty obvious. Man, I'm on a plane. Man, I can't complain. First class game. Too much money game. Bought a new chain. Ignorant ways. Yo, this is a sexy trade. Mama just prayed. Grandma just prayed. Grandma want a car. Wanna switch lanes. This would definitely be a 20-point stop. Where would I target? By the fuck on the model. In the back for the game. I feel like just like these lows right here. 1.27, yeah. This would have been a W. Check the stats. Young nigga got gas. Young nigga for the flat. Smoking that gas. Nigga my pants. Smoking that gas. The bag on this. I'm a Dali. For the world Dali. Moving on to Tuesday. Tuesday. What is going on here? What in the food? Oh my goodness. Sorry guys, I have so many fucking lines on my chart. Don't be like me, please. Please have a cleaner chart. Top level. This is the bottom level right here. I need to remove all these, bro. It's getting a little freaky, guys. All these fucking lines on my chart. Alright, so boom. On this day, on Tuesday, we had this was our bottom level, right? Based off this wick out, this wick, these touches right here, all this. And then we had an intermediate level right here, middle level, and then we had a top level. Top level was based off these right here. Boom, boom, boom. This definitely would have been a double loss day. Come on. Let me. Taking these shorts and I'm losing. Yeah, and then I'm just targeting like these for about this inverse right here. That would have been a loss. Then boom, we come all the way up. Ooh, I remember this day. I remember this day on NASDAQ. I was like, what is this? Oh, I remember this. I didn't take it, but you don't like to see this kind of shit. 20-point stop. Would have ran it to here. Maybe the midpoint is right. Yeah, that's definitely what I ran it to. And as you can see, we get entries and we just chop around. Bad day on Tuesday for NASDAQ. Double L. And then we're on Wednesday. Fuck. Excuse me, boys. Alright. Wednesday, Shrensday, Gensday, buddy. Fuck. Oh shit. Okay, no. Market open is right here. Yeah, I thought this was market open. Boom, we have our bottom level based off of these lows. These touches off our top level. 50 points. Boom, it's entries. And then, as you can see, this hit my take profit, so this would have been a W. Yeah. Would have not taken these longs because it's out to the macro.
What am I doing? Shit, my hair is flat as shit. Fuck. I just took a shower, so. I'm lost. Super lost. So nice little dub on Wednesday. This was good. Here's coming to film this whole fair value gap. Going on to Thursday. Thursday, Thursday. Wow. Alright. I think this was the fake out and then re-entry dub. Yeah, so what is his bottom level? This would have been our bottom level. Yeah, never got those entries. So market opens, we come down, we wick out our bottom level, we come up, we push, boom. That's entries for me. Yo, now that I'm looking at this again, boys, I did this wrong. This isn't. Wow. See, boys, this is why we do this shit, so I can look at what I did wrong. Alright, look, so on this day, I think I only had this as my top level, right? So we have our bottom level, our middle level, and then we have our top level. Alright, let me find a good top level. Oh, it's gotta be this right here. This wick, this close wick, this touch, and then all of these wick outs right here. This touch, all that, yeah. Then boom, you get this right here, yeah. So this would have actually been my top level. Should have been my top level. Entries is right here for me. Let's see if we would have lost or won this trade, boys. Let me know if you guys like Kodak Black. I personally love Kodak Black. Oh, this would have been a loss, boys. I can't lie. We're just targeting my next level. Maybe something like this. End of this little 5-minute fair value gap right here. So you see my original take profit, this green line right here, actually did get hit, and then we reversed off of that. So I don't know, boys, because like for this, right, if I dig deep the way I did this, and this was my top level, this is what it should have been. Should have been right here, I feel like, right? No, because we have these wicks. This was definitely our level, right? We get entries. Boom. Targeting this right here. As you can see, boom, market opens, we push up, we fake out, right? We come back down close to our bottom level. We react off of it, boom, we come up, we re-entry, and then our take profit gets hit. This is a much slower trade. This would have been like a 15-minute trade, which is very unorthodox for me. But yeah, I don't really know about this one, boys, because I guess my original, what I was doing originally was right, but like, I feel like this could have been a wick, and then wick right here, touch right here, touch. I think this was it. Still would have gotten faked out on this though, for sure. Right, and then at this point I have to go for the 1-to-1. Barely, holy shit. So I mean, I mean, I'm overanalyzing just because I'm trying to see like if we had this top level here and we had 3 levels this day, or if it was really just um this as our top level right here. And both outcomes are the same, right? We get faked out, we get re-entries, and then we win our trade. So it's gonna be a loss and then a W. We're going to Friday now. What a poop. Oh shit. I almost took this trade, boys. I just logged on the charts randomly, saw equal highs here. It's a terrible equal highs play. Terrible. So I didn't take it, but 0.77, like, yeah. That was just a little bullshit. Friday, bro. Well, I don't want to talk about Friday, guys. I missed this trade. I'm a little salty about it. Coming into Friday, right? Boom, we had this top level. We had this middle level, and then we had this bottom level, right? We never get our shorts, right? We wick out our bottom level. We push through our middle level. We push up, closing in the middle of this 5-minute fair value gap. We come back down, touching our middle level. We react off of it. Excuse me. Push past these highs. Literally all you're waiting for is a second push after that. You get a second push after that, you enter the trade. What happened? We broke those highs, got a second push, and for some reason didn't enter. For some reason, right? I was looking at this shit, bro. I was literally watching it, and I literally said in my head, "That's entries. Like I need to press buy," but I just didn't. Yeah, this shit ripped. This Friday was beautiful for Nasdaq. Fuck, even if you took the retrace, you could have maybe banked off that too. Like, Friday was a good day. W on Friday. All right, moving on to US 30 now, boys. Holy mother God. Oh, this is Monday. What happened? Got a little bottom level right here. Ski. Boom. Yeah, that's about what my level was. Okay, so boom, coming up in the market open, we had 3 levels on Monday. We had this bottom level, middle level, and this top level right here. These longs would have been great if we just got to push past this wick out right here. Targeting this one next little shot right here. But we never got that, right? Market comes through, breaks our middle level, we come back up, touch it, come back in on pre-market. We get a wick out on our bottom level, and since market opened so close to our level, what am I waiting for? I'm waiting for some type of retrace, right? A candle flip, a fill of like a fair value gap, just anything besides. So what do? Market opens, we come up, right? We flip the 5-minute bearish, we come down, we push, we get a second push, I enter, and my take profit was just based off of the bottom of this fair value gap right here. Absolute smacker, can't lose that. Bro, Excel is so gay sometimes. On a Tuesday. Oh, brother. Tuesday out. Double fake out. And of course, so as you guys know, I think y'all know, I'm trying to get my account out of the two key trenches, right? My account is heavy in drawdown, like heavy in drawdown because of my previous trading and where I was in trading. And yeah, I'm just trying to get it out of that because now, right, I'm good. I know what the fuck I'm doing now. A lot of things have changed, and so right, you have to up your risk, right, to get out of it, right. So the one day I up my risk, I take 2 fucking L's, and then of course low risk, and then I'll talk about Friday when we get there. But yeah, Tuesday was rough for me. And on Tuesday on Nasdaq, Tuesday was a double fake out too. So right, we have this top level right here, right? Literally, bro, get entries and then just perfectly shit. Like perfectly get my entry and then just absolutely just stop loss. I thought these longers were gonna play out too, because look at all this shit we had to fill, right? So then I'm like, great, boom, we're gonna get our shorts, right? We this sweep liquidity, respect this 5-minute bearish gap, come off of our bottom level, we're pushing. We close below here. What am I saying? I'm tweaking, guys. Come up, fake me out, come back down, close here. We're kind of chilling here, just chopping, get entries, get faked out again, and then yeah. See, we had this level here that was stopping us. This could have been avoided, honestly. The second loss. I'm not gonna lie, this was just a wiki day. You know, I'm surprised to all this wiki shit, just bad day. Yeah, bro. Double fake out. Moving on to Wednesday. Wednesday was smack work, bro. Alright, so boom, pre-market, we have this top level, middle level, and our top level. Oh. Market opens right here. We're opening like not close to our level, right? Like if this black candle right here was our market open candle, I would want to see something like this, like a retrace and then go down. But since we kind of closed a little bit up here in the middle, we just came down, got our second push, entered, boom, shat. I was TP was based off this level right here that I had previously marked out. Definitely could, and I feel like I should have held this just to the end of fair value gap, 2.36, but I was happy with my RR on this, 2.68. I'll take that. And these longs played out, but I wouldn't have taken them because it was after the macro. Yeah, so little dub ski on US 30 ski. Friday, what am I saying? Thursday, I'm tripping, boys. Thursday, boom, another beautiful day. Bottom level, pretty simple. We open in the middle of our little chop zone. Come down, boom, we get a second push, boom, targeting the halfway point of this yeah, pretty much it. Could have targeted the start of this last fair value gap, but when we have combined fair value gaps like this, I just like taking the midpoint of them. And then boom, we reverse, and these longs do play out. Do they? I don't know, I don't feel like I would have taken this. These definitely would have played out. I don't think I would have taken them though. See what really happened here. Okay, so we get entries at 9:07. Come down. We do hit my stop loss, but you guys know I do have soft stop losses. I don't know. I'm just gonna count this as a no trade. I feel like with this. Really don't like what it's doing that. Dubski. Now we can go to fucking Friday, guys. Oh my gosh, bro. This day pissed me off, boys. So, we had this bottom level, we had this top level, right? Or this is our top level, this is our middle level, and then we had this bottom level, right? So, market opens here, right? We rip up to our top level, and then we heavily wick it out, right? We come all the way off of our top level, right? Coming down, pushing past our bottom level, and then giving us a second push. I entered off of that because it was my 15 pips, you know? And I got faked out, right? No biggie. If you get faked out with this strategy, simply when it looks similar to this, right? And also, this is another thing. Like my friend, my trading partner, he didn't get was like right here, right? So it really just depends on where your level is. On days like these, where like you kind of have like a rectangle of a level, like it's kind of like this. You know, you just kind of need to watch out for those. But yeah, I got faked out, no biggie. And then when you get faked out, all you need to wait for is just a push past this reaction wick, right? This the wick that you got faked out on, right? So we come up, we push past it, I enter. I'm just targeting this next little chop zone, and very good take profit because we do come up here. We do continue down, but yeah, we definitely react on this stuff. Yeah, that was a loss and a W. You could have had just a W on that day, but for me, it was definitely a loss and a W. Yeah, so let's add all these up real quick. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. 8 wins. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 L's. 0 breakevens. So yeah, I mean, bro. Okay, let's talk about Friday. When I got faked out and I re-entered. When I got faked out, I was risking $100, and then when I re-entered the position, I was risking 80, and I still ended negative on the day, which is really fucking annoying, bro. I'm trying to get this account out of its grudgy stage. Like, Friday was a W for me, but because of my risk management, it was an L. So I think coming into this week, on the 16th on Monday, and just the next trading week, I'm just gonna do 100. I'm just gonna stick at 100 flat for that week, and then next week I'm gonna probably bump it to like 400, and then 1,000, and then at that point we're pretty much out. But yeah, next week I will be risking $100 every single time. I'm not going to change it because shit like this can happen where the trades you're winning, you're risking less, and the trades you're losing, you're risking more. Like Murphy's Law, of course that shit happens, right? So I'm just going to stick with 100 through this week, and we'll see how shit goes. Price action has been pretty freaking decent. Yeah. I'll see y'all boys on Monday for our trade recap if we get a trade. Y'all stay blessed. Remember, God loves you guys, and peace out.